Hey guys, so I've got one hell of a working knife. This knife is it's gonna do everything that you want it to do. It's a beast. And it is made for work. So if you want something that's gonna last, this is the one. It's got the brand is SCORPCO. It's got a coated blade. I'm not sure what in yet. I have emailed the company that sells the knife. Beautiful G10 with all it's all being shaped and contoured perfectly for your hand. I thought the pocket clip might be a bit uncomfortable, but it really isn't. It sits in that part of your hand there, and I can't feel it. It's hard as I can squeeze, and there's no hot spots. So that's pretty good. It's got a line of lock, beautiful smooth ball bearings. Comes razor sharp out of the box. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this one test. Got beautiful big pivots. It's not a deep carry pocket clip, but that's fine. I like how it's got these ridges here, and the blade goes perfectly smooth with it. That's how they got it a bit higher. Now you can unlock it by doing the flick, but I can't do that. No, I can't do that. So I'll leave that for the experts, and we'll have a look at the. All right, so the cutting length is 9.5 centimeters. In inches, that is about just under 3 3/4 inches. Just under. All up the knife is, get that on there, we're looking at 21 centimeters. And that's just under 8.5 inches. Yeah, absolutely comfortable. Let's have a look how I think that blade is. She's a beast. So we're looking. Make sure it sends it there. We're looking at about 3.8 to 3.9 mil. And down at the tip, she's 1.88, 1.9. And goes down to the tip. So yeah, she's a beast of a knife. She's ready for work. And that's what we're going to do right now. Let's do a cutting test. I've been looking forward to this one. Get my cutting board. We'll just get some. If you can hear that noise in the background, it's my dog licking her bowl. Sally, hey, what are you doing? Stop it! Go! That belly just makes it so easy to cut. Comes razor sharp out of the box. And we'll go to the jute root. This is 3/4 inch jute rope. Okay. Oh yeah. Got a bloody splinter in the cutting board. This will be a great knife for camping, hunting, on the farm, hiking, backpacking. I didn't bring any paper over. I've got some really, really thin paper. It's very, very thin. It's about, it's still coming. Very, very thin paper. It's just still sharp. And that's my dog having a drink. Yeah, it's just still sharp. Razor sharp. For it to cut that paper, it's less than half the thickness of A4 paper. So yeah, let's have a close up. It's got a nice big blade. It's got nice contours contouring all the way around, shapes. Beautiful blade. So I'll put a link in the description where to get one from. And if you like the video, feel free to subscribe. And give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Oh, the blade is D2, and all their knives are made in Taiwan. And I love Taiwanese knives. They just make awesome knives, and I've had no problems with any of. It's perfectly centered as well, right in the middle. If I can get it there, there we go. Beautiful. Alright, well that's it for that video. Yeah, so feel free to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And I'll catch you on the next one.